In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect PayPal to Big Cartel in a simple and fast way. And by the end of this video, your store will be fully ready to accept payments. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Big Cartel. Once the official site appears, click on it and log into your account. If you are new to the platform, you can sign up by following the prompts on the screen. After you land on your Big Cartel dashboard, look at the top of your screen where your initials or store logo appear and click on it to open your account settings. From there, scroll until you see the option called Get Paid. This section controls how you receive money from your customers. Select the pencil icon next to it, which opens the payment settings. Inside this menu, you will see PayPal listed as one of the available payment processors. Go ahead and choose PayPal to begin linking your account. A new window will guide you through logging into your PayPal account and confirming the connection. Simply follow the on-screen steps and within a moment, your PayPal account will be securely linked to your Big Cartel store. Once completed, your customers can check out using one of the most trusted payment methods in the world, which helps build confidence and can even boost sales. And that is all it takes. In just a couple of minutes, you have successfully connected PayPal to Big Cartel and your store is ready for smooth, secure transactions. If this helped you, remember to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.